Macon-Bibb County hired a private firm to help count and reach out to the city's unhoused population. Now, the final numbers have not been reported yet, and county commissioners are set to vote on a 3-month, $45,000 extension for the project. Maggie Fitzgerald explains why the mayor says the county still needs route analytics, even with delays.
Downtown areas like 3rd Street Park continue to be busy spots for the city's unhoused. Macon-Bibb County hired a data firm to handle outreach and conduct the census of people experiencing homelessness. Now, that count was due March 31st, but the contract expired without a report. And now on Tuesday, Macon-Bibb commissioners are set to vote on a contract extension of $45,000 with little to no delivered results made public. Route Analytics, founded by Jake Hall, has been working with Macon-Bibb County to provide outreach, support shelters, and assist with the point-in-time count of unhoused people in the county. In a statement to 13 WMAZ on Monday, Hall said Tuesday's contract extension would continue their work with people experiencing homelessness, not just the annual pit count. He wrote that his firm has completed the work needed for the census. He says Route Analytics and the county are now waiting on the Georgia Department of Community Affairs to provide final numbers for Bibb County. If approved, the contract extension would keep Route Analytics on the job through June 30th. Bringing the total contract to $120,000.
The pit count's just, like I said, a small part of it, but they serve as a liaison to all of our places like Brookdale and Salvation Army and Daybreak and any of those places, but also as part of our public safety MVP arm.
Mayor Lester Miller confirms the delay is happening at that state level as the DCA finalizes data from across the state, including Hall's findings.
We had hoped that perhaps February or March, but what do you know? You have 2 tornadoes, you have a lot of things going on in the environment, and every city and county in the state are a little bit behind on the pit count. No worries at all to me.
In Macon, Maggie Fitzgerald, 13 WMAZ News.
Until the state releases those final numbers, the mayor says Route Analytics cannot complete the analysis outlined in the contract. We reached out to the Department of Community Affairs for a status update, but have not been able to get in contact with them. As far as the extension goes, that will be voted on tomorrow. Pre-commission begins Tuesday at 4:30 inside the Government Center downtown.